I'm sure that even before I actually started this video, all of you guessed what I was going to talk about. So I actually thought about it a couple of times before making this video, because there's several people who are already talking about this issue and raising their voice in this, and I was wondering if me making this video would make any difference to anybody. But I think it is important for me to talk about it because I am a girl and I do not feel safe in this country. And there are a lot of things that a girl, a woman, has to go through in this country, and not everybody talks about it so openly. When I go out, I have to think about the kind of clothes that I'm wearing twice. Because I'll have to think whether what I'm wearing is suitable and appropriate for me to walk on the road safely. And if I wear a dress, I have to think about whether I'll be safe. Will men look at me from different angles? I mean, these are the things that I have to think even before dressing up. Just imagine. And it's not just me, it's all the girls and all the women out there living in this country who have to think about this. In my house, when the male servant's working, and if I'm wearing short clothes, then I'm immediately asked to change. I'm said that they gaze at you and उनकी नज़र अच्छी नहीं होती. So basically, what everybody is doing here is that they're not asking men to stop gazing. They're not going to ask men to change their mindset. They're not going to ask men to control their so-called urge, which is not controllable. But they're definitely going to ask women and girls to change the way they dress up, change the way they look, because you never know what can happen to them. Because कोई लड़की छोटे कपड़े पहन के जाएगी, मेकअप लगा के जाएगी, तो you never know what will happen. You never know when a man will get horny and won't be able to keep it in his pants. So girls are stopped. Girls are asked not to wear short clothes. Girls are asked not to, get dressed and go out. Not allowed to go out at night. Instead, why don't we reverse this? Why aren't men taught that कि लड़कियों को बुरी नज़र से मत देखो? Why aren't men taught that 8 बजे के बाद घर से मत जाओ, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता नहीं कब तुम्हारी uncontrollable urge बाहर आ जाएगी? Things need to change. It's high time we as a country need to evolve. I mean, I really hope I'm alive till the day where I see a change in this country. I am a girl and I do not feel safe in this country. And if you think that these men who go around raping women are doing so because they're uneducated, then you're really wrong. In fact, the most educated men in this country are also the most insensible ones. In fact, I think on a daily basis also, if there's a girl who's putting up a Seat or a Kuhu or whatever, there's so many negative things about her body, about her shape, her size. What is this? These are minute little steps that in the end result in the man becoming a monster. I don't think education is the way to solve this problem, but it's a change in the mindset and a change in the certain norms of this country.